Welcome to my channel. In the present video, I would like to talk about why is study abroad so important. In our age of information and high resolution photography, other countries are instantly at our fingertips. A plethora of readily available online resources and the reality of student debt almost make the idea of leaving home seem unnecessary and are too expensive. But the same reasons that we travel, studying abroad is one of the best decisions you can make as a student. As humans, we are learning all the time. When we find ourselves in new and unfamiliar contexts, a market in Germany or train station in Osaka, for example, even the smallest interactions can become significant lessons. Regardless of how much research you can find about a foreign country, there is no substitute for what you can learn by actually living there and engaging in the everyday routines and customs that create culture. That's nothing to say of what you will learn about yourself in the process. Studying abroad is important because it is an experience that will change you forever, not only as a student but also as an individual. Your time overseas will teach you so more than what's on the syllabus, giving you invaluable opportunities as well as insight and global perspective. When the world is your classroom, you will gain an unparalleled education. As someone who has studied in Japan and England, I wholeheartedly encourage everyone who is interested in visiting other countries to go as a student. Your worldview will be enriched and shaped by the challenge, and you will return home with even more than sovereigns. The experiences you will get studying abroad can be grouped into three main categories that I will talk about: cultural experiences, academic and business experiences, and life experiences. You will have cultural experiences. Unlike a short vacation, when you study abroad, you have the chance to see what life is really like in any other country. The encounters you have as you shop for groceries, ask for directions, or walk through neighborhoods will teach you more about a place and its people than any textbook or guide could. By going beyond the tourist stops, you will obtain personal knowledge and your new city, the people who live there, and perhaps even a bit of its history. Living like a local is one of the best ways to understand a culture. If language acquisition is one of your goals, there's no better way to improve your skills than spending time among people who can teach you natural speaking patterns, colloquialisms, and other earmarks of a native speaker. Immersion is great for language skills, and it will also teach you about the country with a personal perspective. Interacting with people and partaking in the daily rhythms of life in what a country will you rich first-hand knowledge and that can't be found anywhere else. In addition to the subjects you will study while you are overseas, you can gain skills to carry with you into your future. Whether you are intending to go on for more education or into the workforce, as a student you will be learning how to balance your studies with the everyday concerns of living in a country that's not your own, which can be formidable at times when it comes to transportation or currency. while you adapt to your new surroundings, navigate city streets and build relationships. You can identify your strengths and weaknesses and improve on them. Time and money management, problem solving and organization are all valuable skills that not only look good on a resume but will also serve you well whatever you go or wherever you go. Language and cross-cultural communication skills are also valuable assets. Studying abroad may also give you the opportunity to take courses from experts in your field of study or visit sites where groundbreaking work is taking place. It's a great way to look at your studies from a different point of view. Gain an international understanding of your field and take advantage of resources that might not be available at your home university. If you find this video interesting, you can like, share this video and subscribe my channel. Wish you all the best. May God bless you. See you again in the next video. Bye.